Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. For today's video, I have another treat. I'm going to show you another one of those compact tractors. It's a blue one. So I got you guys a surprise and you guys are going to like it. So without further ado, let's go and get started. So before I begin this video, I'd like to extend a big thanks and special shout out to Ebert Welding, which is the New Holland dealer in New Liskeard, Ontario, for providing this opportunity today. For more information about their contact info and inventory, please feel free to check out their website provided in the description box below. There she is, guys. It's an all-new 2019 New Holland WM25S four-wheel drive compact tractor. And this one's got the New Holland 905 GBL backhoe attachment. And this has also got the New Holland 100 LC loader with the bucket, and it's also got the agriculture tires. Really nice. It's also got your controls. Your diesel fuel can go right in here. It's really nice. So let's go hop on the tractor and I'll show you what it looks like. There's your hidden ignition switch right over here. Pop that thing out. There's your ignition. Just put the key in there. You're all set to go. Turn it on. And as you can see, this tractor is reading 2.6 hours on the clock. You have your temperature gauge, your fuel gauge, your RPMs, headlight controls are over here, turn signals, you have your parking brake over here. It's really nice. And you have your joystick control for your loader and your bucket. You have your hand throttle, and you have your high and low range, your 3-point hitch, and this is your four-wheel drive engagement. And you have your PTO switch, and this is for your back PTO. And down below you have your flow control on your 3-point, and you have your differential lock. Like I said, your flow control on your 3-point, that's to increase or decrease the speed of if you have a heavy implement. And like I said, this is your differential lock. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and fire it up. And then we'll put her in gear. Really nice. Go ahead and show the bucket. Hydraulics are good on that. Just bring the loader up. I'll just put her in high range. Really nice. Really nice. Now we'll just put her in four-wheel drive and see how that functions. It's a really nice tractor. I think they come with the loader detach levers there to take the loader off, both sides. let's go shut her down and we'll check out the rest of the compact. So now we're going to show the engine. You push over here and it opens it. And as you can see, this tractor has got the Yanmar 3-cylinder diesel engine. Really nice. Check out the other side. And there's your engine oil right there. And I believe this tractor has got the oil drain plug, also great for doing oil changes. Very simple. You get a good tractor for. It's very simple if you need to do. Very simple if you need to make repairs on it. But it's really nice. Here's your 12-volt power outlet over here. Plug your cell phone inside. There it is, right there. Your 12-volt power outlet. Just put it back in. Yeah. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoy my review on the all-new 2019 New Holland WM25S Compact. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos, and remember, like, subscribe, favorite. I have more content coming up, so if you want to check out my website, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, they're in the description so you can find it. Once again, be sure to stay tuned next time. There's always a lot more where it came from. Take care.